Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Browse AI. Browse AI is a tool by which you can train a robot to scrape any kind of websites in 2 minutes without any coding. And they're saying that Browse AI is a no-code cloud-based web automation software that extracts and monitors structured data from any site. And this tool has been launched on AppSumo only 1 day ago, guys, and within this time period it has gotten 4 reviews and everyone is giving here almost 5-star review. If you check the reviews from here, see everyone is giving here 5-star review, but here one person has given here 4-star review and he's saying some pros and cons. You can go through this. Now if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Browse AI, see they are offering up to code 8 and the single code pricing is 98 USD, and on single code you will get 2500 credits per month and 10 robots. But if you need unlimited robots, then you have to get at least double code and you will get here 5000 credits per month. And to extract every data, it will cost you 1 credit basically. These are the things. And if you need more, then you have to upgrade to more code basically, and it's 784 USD. But you can get at least 10% discount, guys, on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Browse AI lifetime deal. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Browse AI and let's explore how things works here. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you're cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is the dashboard of Browse AI that you will get whenever you will log in or sign up. And see here you can create two types of robot. The first one is extract structured data, and by using this feature, you can create robot that will extract data from any kind of website or from any kind of structured website. And they have second type, monitor site changes. By using this feature, you can create robot that will monitor any type of changes from a specific site. So at first, let me create extract structured data type robot by which we can extract any type of data from any website. So just select it, and then here you have to insert the URL of the web page from which web page you want to extract data. But before extracting data, you have to make sure that you have installed this Chrome extension on your browser. See, I will install it right now. So just install this Browse AI Chrome extension on your browser. So it has been installed, guys, and then here you have to do some settings. But before that, let me bring some URL here. Let's say I want to extract data from this product hunt. See, there have a lot of product. I want to extract the logo, the name of the product, the description of the product, the number of upvote available on the product. So let me copy it. In your case, you have to copy the page URL that you want to extract, and after that, just insert the URL here, and then if the website requires login, then you have to select it. But in case of product hunt, I do not need to log in, so I'll not select it. Then just click here start recording. Now here you have to set up something for extension. See, you have to grant the permission. Just click here grant permission and then allow, and then you have to do another thing. Just click here open extension setting. From here you have to allow in incognito, so you have to allow it, and it's done. Now if I go to this section again, after that just click here start recording task, and then here you have to select the product. But let me bring the robot. See, this is the robot. I hope you can see the robot. And here you can capture three type of data. See, you can capture list, you can capture text, and you can capture screenshot also. So the process is completely same, guys. In the way I will capture now list, in the same way you can capture any text or any screenshot that you want. And see, in the screenshot section, you can capture a specific selection, you can capture entire page, also you can capture visible part. Let's say I will capture here some list. So just select it, and then here select the thing that you want to capture. Let's say I want to capture these things, and then I want to capture the link, and then again I want to capture the visible text, and let's say No, not this one. Let's say you want to cancel one selection, so you have to just click on the escape button on your keyboard, or ESC button. So I'm selecting on the ESC button, see, and then let's say I want to select it, and then I want to get it. So these are the things, guys. And after selecting everything, then you have to click on the enter button on your keyboard, and then here give the name of the column. So let's say it's product name, and then here it's product description, and this one is product description, and this one is, let's say, product type, and then this one is number of comment. See, this is some sample of the data. Here you can select how many number of data you want to get, and then give the name of your list, let's say list 1, and then here they're saying that please select how more list um, can be found. Okay, here you have to select the pagination. Okay, see, they have pagination, and here you can select there are no more items to load. Scroll down to load more items, scroll up to load more items, click on next to navigate to the next page, click on load more to load more items. In my case, I'm selecting here scroll down to load more items, and then capture list. So the list will be captured, and see, one list has been captured, and then just click here finish record. So if you select here finish record, now it will redirect you to the page where you have to set up the robot name. Let's say this is robot 1, and then save it, and it will show you some sample of the data now. Let it be load. Now see, these are the sample of the data, and if everything okay, just click here yes, looks good. Now here you can set the limit, that means how many number of data you want to get or you want to extract. Let's say I want to extract 30 data. So these are the things, and then you have to just click a run a task, then the task will be run automatically by using the robot. See, it's running, guys. So these are the all data that it has been gotten, and then you can download the data from download CSV option. I hope you get idea, guys. And I have gotten 3 data, and it has costed me 3 credits. But in your case, if you use it professionally, guys, then definitely you will get here a lot of data. So these are the things, guys. And if you go to the my robot section now, here you will see all your robot. Now if you want to build new robot, just click here on this build new robot. But see, there have some pre-built robot. So let me explore what are the robots that have on pre-built section. See, extract products from product hunt, extract job listing from Indeed US, monitor company info on LinkedIn, extract event type online events, then extract job listing information from LinkedIn. So there have a lot of feature, guys. A lot of bot that has been created previously. You can use any one of them. Let's say you want to use this one, or let's say you want to use this one, this Indeed. So just select it, and then use this automation. Click on here, and then let's say the job title is software developer, and then here insert the location. Let's say the location is New York, and maximum number of job, let's say the maximum number will be 20, and then next. So they're saying value must be less than or equal to 15. Okay, so it will be 15, and then next, and then start extracting. It will now start the extraction basically for you. So if you use this pre-built extraction robot, then you do not need to build the robot also. It's really amazing, guys. See, these are the listing. Now if you download the CSV, see, this is the CSV. Let it be load, or let it be open. See, these are all the data that you can get: position, job title, company name, location, salary, then short description, posted, job link. So you can get all the data from here. I hope you get idea guys about this tool, and the tool is really amazing in case if you want to get a lot of data from any kind of website, then it can be helpful for you. After that, they have option for integration. See, these are the integrations that are available: Google Sheet, JPR, Webhook, REST API, Airtable, Public Connect is available now. Also, Workflow and Make.com is coming soon. Now, the last option that I want to explore here, if I go to the My Robot section and then if I click here Build New Robot, see they have option for monitor site changes. And by using this feature, you can monitor any type of change that will happen in a specific page. Let's say this is the new arrival page of AppSumo. Let's say you want to get the information or you want to get a notification whenever a new deal will come on AppSumo. So the new deal will be added here on this page. So you have to just copy the page. That means the change of the page that you want to monitor, you have to copy the page link, and then you have to go to here browse AI, and then you have to insert the URL here. And if the website requires login, then you have to select it, and then just click here start recording task, and then it will load, and you have to just teach the robot how it will capture the things. So let me teach it. Let's say I want these things, and then I want these things. I want, let's say, the image URL, and I want the product name, I want the product description, and I do not want anything else. Let's say I do not want anything else. These are the things. And then just click here enter, and then here insert the column name, image URL, and this one is product name, and then here product description. So these are the things guys, and it will show you some uh, preview or some sample. And here select how many number of data you want to get. Let's say I want to get 30, and then here select pagination, and let's say load more, and then give a name of the list is new deal. Let's say the name of the list is new deal, and then capture list, and then it will be captured. So these are the things. Then click here on the robot and then select on finish recording. So the recording will be finished guys. Now let it be load. Here I have quick setup. Give the robot name. Let's say is new deal monitoring robot, and then save it. And here you have to set up the notification. That means in every 1 day or 2 day 3 day or in every 1 hour or in every 1 week 1 month, you can get the notification basically. So in your case, and depending on your need, you have to select on after who is date, after how many days or after how many hours you want to run the extraction or you want to run the campaign, and then you want to get the notification. In my case, I'm selecting here 1 day and save monitor, and then here scroll down, and then if everything good, then just click here yes looks good. Now if you run a task again here, then it will run the task. Let's say you want to get 50. So you want to get 50 data, so just select here 50 and then click on run a task. Now you will get all the data on AppSumo new deal page. Let it be load guys. See, these are the data, and it has gotten 50 deal data from here. Now if you download the CSV, just click here download CSV, and if I open it now, Let me open it. See, it will give you all the data that it has been extracted. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this browse AI tool. You can extract data, you can monitor the change of any web page by using this browse AI tool. And if you think, guys, you need this type of robot to monitor the data of your competitor, also if you need a lot of data from any website to extract, then you can get this browse AI lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of browse AI lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. So if you think, guys, you need this tool for your business, then you can get this lifetime deal, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on browse AI lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, as if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.